What's going on, people? Michael G. Davis here, about to do a tour of my property at 1523 Mapleton Drive. It's in Spring Branch, almost in walking distance to the ACC, right there off of I-10 and the Beltway. So the location is phenomenal. Oh, that's Chica. Say what's up, Chica.
Hey, everybody.
Chica's with Brooks and Davis, right? She's rocking with us this quarter as far as our realtor intern program. So I brought out here for a field trip. But look, let's just go ahead and check out the house. I think the subdivision is really nice. So let's see, say what's up, wave to my people. All right, so this is the neighborhood. This is surrounding areas. This is the outside of my house. It's the neighbors. That's the street. I mean, it's a nice neighborhood, right? So, you know, when trying to find properties that you're gonna fix up, you always wanna get them in real good neighborhoods. So this is extremely ideal as far as a property that you can fix up. So again, this is the front. So you definitely want to, before I go on the inside of it, we're just gonna kind of walk around, see what we're working with on the outside. Such a pretty day. Hate to be enclosed if you ain't gotta be. So I'm walking around to the side of the property. The back gate is open. So let's go check it out. All right. So nice size yard. Right, do a lot of work as far as, you know, again, when you're looking for a project, you always have to keep in mind from a retail standpoint, retail wise, what could I sell this for? What are some of the attributes that a person may look for when they hit it retail wise? Well, one of them is that you have a really nice yard, a really nice size yard, right? Now, I don't know how much of an attribute this may be. I think it depends on the person, but it does back up to this big warehouse, construction warehouse. But what that means is you won't never have to have any back neighbors. So when it comes to noise or somebody building behind you, you can have that seclusion. Like some people want seclusion, they want to be in a secluded area when they're buying a house. So you got this big, it backs up to like this industrial section. And again, probably because it's right there off of I-10. So this is probably the back part of the Beltway. It's probably where that building is off of. So let's see. So this is the back of the house. There go Chica again. What's up, Chica? Cut it out. So Chica's one of my Brooks and Davis realtors, came out on a field trip with me to look at one of our properties. But this is the back, and I'm standing in the backyard. Again, very nice sized backyard, and the neighborhood is phenomenal. All right. So now I'm gonna go back around to the front, get a little closer to the back. This patio, it's a huge patio though, right? So like the patio is really large, so you can really do some things with, as far as, you know, jazzing up the patio or building a deck. You can build a deck right here for entertaining. I think it has good opportunity there. So again, here's the back of the house. Let's see, it's locked, so we got to go back around. We got to go around the hard way, back through the side. All right. Such a pretty day outside. All right, let me give y'all another look. What's up, Skip? What's up? Okay. Again, this is the neighborhood. We're back around the front. One thing I mentioned earlier, if you're gonna buy retail property and if you're gonna fix it up and you're gonna sell it, you're gonna flip it, then you better make sure it's in a good neighborhood. So this one is in a phenomenal neighborhood. All right, so look, we're about to go inside of the property, see what kind of work we're gonna have to do on this one. All right, So it is a project. It is not for the faint at heart, but if you put in the work, you should be able to make you some money. So this is kind of like an extended dining room area. So obviously you want to fix it up and completely remodel it, completely update it. That's the dining area. So this is where the kitchen would be. All right? So you want to, so you got some room from a demolition standpoint, things that have already been demolished. Now this house did not flood. So don't think that this house looks like this because it flooded during Harvey. It did not flood during Hurricane Harvey. It's just a house that sat and needs some work. Let's see. So there's the flooring. Want to replace the flooring. So now I just walked into, so that's the backyard. So this was that back door that I was trying to open up. There we go. So it's that back door. It took us to the backyard. That I was trying to open. All right, so yeah, it needs some work. Where my people out there that want to do some work, we can do a contract right now. Sell this thing to you. All right, so this is the living area. Again, that's the living area. Right there is the kitchen. And then boom, that's the front door. So when I came through the front door, I went to the left through the dining area, came back out through the front door. Hold up, ED, I'm gonna tell you how much it is. Wait, brother, wait. All right, so this is the bathroom. No, this is the utility room. It's dark, y'all can't see nothing in here. But this is the utility room. Unfortunately, the lights aren't on either. But this is the room that I'm in right now. Oh, come on, Chica. Come on, Chica, showing me love. Let there be light. Okay, so that's where you put your washer and your dryer. Go and get him a shot of that water heater. It's the water heater in there. So this is storage space. Oh man, that thing long. You see that? I know y'all see that little line. That little line. That's how far back. Let's just walk back there, yeah. Chica. Come on. I know y'all still can't see. Chica got her good heels on today. All right. Oh, uh-oh. Here we about to really make it shine now. The door open, Chica. Oh, let that really be light. All right, so now, this right here now is gonna give us a good shot of what's going on. Come on out, Chica. All right, so now this is the side of the house. Now we're outside. This is the side of the house. Yeah, so that's what they did. They converted the garage door. The garage into like this little living area. All right, so you see it's a lot of storage as far as shelves. If you want a little a workshop, you can do that with this particular property. Leave it open, Chica. Leave it open. Leave it open. Oh, leave it open. Chica gonna leave it open. Chica took the light away. All right, ED. Yes, I have rehab contractors. Come on, man. I'm in real estate. Been in real estate forever, so I got all kind of resources. If it's something that you wanna part, do I have rehab contractors? Come on, man. Yeah, of course. Come on. Can you believe that, Chica? Do I have rehab? Anyway, I'm just messing with you, ED. All right. So now we're walking back into a bedroom. It needs some work. It's dated. Look at that. How many of y'all when y'all was growing up had one of these ceiling fans in there? I know y'all done seen these ceiling fans like this before. So yeah, it's a little dated. Don't worry about it. All right, so that's a bedroom. Here's another bedroom. You can get you some supplies, get some door frames. All right, so this is a bathroom. So this must have been the master, because this is the plumbing connections So this was considered the master bedroom with the master bathroom. All right, and then this is the closet. So it's a kind of walk-in closet, kind of walk-in, kind of. Kind of walk-in. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh, here's the other bathroom. So here's the other bathroom. You know. So they did some of the demoing for you. I believe that the house looks this way is because the person that originally purchased it was going to rehab it, and look, things happened. So something happened. We got to the point where they couldn't finish the job. So now somebody else can capitalize on that. It's hard to find good deals. All right, so here's another bedroom. There go another one of them ceiling fans. Again, this bedroom, this is towards the back of the house. This bedroom. And then this is the closet. That's the closet right there. So that, alright, let's make sure I took y'all everywhere. I toured you the whole house. That's one bedroom. 2 bedrooms. That's a bathroom. 3 bedrooms. That's the master bedroom. We went through the utility room, the garage conversion, the living room, kitchen, breakfast area, dining room. I feel like I'm missing something. Ah, this is what I'm missing. Ah, so this is the other, so that was just one half of the garage conversion, and then this is the other half. So they, in essence, added another bedroom. So this is a 4-bedroom. They even put a closet in there for us. So it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath property. 2-bath project, and then that's the front. So they completely converted the garage into another bedroom. All right, so I think now I did show you all everything that is to see in this property. So who wants some of it? Who wants some of this right here? Who wants to buy this property that I have at 1523 Mapleton Drive? Right, again, it's a project. You want to got some residual income or some disposable income. You want to put that money to work, get you a real estate property and fix it up. We have rehab contractors. Obviously, we can do the paperwork. We can facilitate the entire transaction. We can give you some advice, even if you just want to have a conversation with me about it and see if it makes sense. We're here to do that. We're full service. So I'm about to sign off of this rendition of showing you what I got to sell. If you got any questions, hit me on the DM. Check us out on YouTube. Go to our YouTube channel, Brooks and Davis Real Estate Firm. Subscribe to our channel. All of these videos will be uploaded. You'll probably see some other properties we have for sale, other things that I've toured. All right, Chica, tell them bye.
All right, see y'all later.
All right, see y'all later, fam.